Hello friends, today I'll be discussing how to trade Nifty Intraday. I'll be teaching how to trade Nifty Intraday with a 5-minute candlestick chart pattern. This video is regarding the technical analysis and I will be showcasing how to trade in bullish and also in bearish market and also the psychology behind a profitable trader. Here are some of the rules you need to follow. You need to trade along with the trend. You need to place a strict stop loss for each trade. You need to trade before 11 AM or after 12:30 PM in a day. And you need to trade one time per day. Well, coming to the strategy. Here is the 5-minute candlestick chart pattern of Nifty. Here you can see I have used the following 4 indicators. One is the 20-day exponential moving average, which is highlighted in purple color. The second is the 14-day exponential moving average, which is highlighted in a yellowish orange. The next is the stochastics. Here you can see the stochastics with the default settings. The another indicator which I used is super trend with the default values of 7 and 3. Well, in this indicator, here you can see the Nifty on 24th of October 2016. It gapped up in the morning and then it held the support of 20-day exponential moving average. In this strategy, the strategy defines with certain indicators and correlate the data. Based on that, we need to predict the future price movements of the Nifty. In this here, you can see here, at this point, the stochastics has hit the low of 20 at 11 AM. Well, based on this was a point where you need to enter either the 8,700 call or the 8,800 call. Well, the Nifty is heading towards the bullish side. We need to enter the call, as the first rule is to trade along the trend. Here you can see the Nifty 8700 call 5-minute candlestick chart pattern with the same technical indicators. Here you can see, as we predicted, the stochastics when it hit the 20 level, it forms the bottom at 50. Based on this, we enter the trade with the following assumptions. One is the stop loss. The entry is at 50. Well, the stop loss is the support trend support. Here you can see the support is this support trend line, which is at 42 rupees. Hence, we have a stop loss of almost 8 points. Then, we have a target of a 14-day moving average. If the 14-day exponential moving average crosses the 20-day moving average, this will be our exit point. Based on this, here are the results. The entry was at 50 on an assumption that the Nifty will head towards the positive side. The assumption was right. We entered at 50 and based on the rules of a target, when the 14-day moving average crosses the 20-day moving average at the price of 65, we exit the trade with a profit of 15 points. This is how this trade can be drawn on a 5-minute candlestick chart pattern by the Nifty observation. Well, coming to another analysis, here is the Nifty 5-minute candlestick chart pattern. On 11th of November 2016, we saw a big sell-off from the market from 8,500 levels towards 8,400. After that, it held support at this level. Overall, it was taking the support at this point for some time. In this trade analysis, we have used some more indicators, which is called an awesome indicator. This indicator can give you the sell-off volume and where you can see the volume direction in the market. As we saw, we saw a big sell-off from the market. There was a big selling and immediately after that we saw a pullback from the market where it held the support at this level. As per our strategy, we saw a stochastic hitting the 80 level on the Nifty at 1:40 p.m. in the afternoon, where it hit close to 8,400 levels. As our strategy says, we need to trade along the trend. We need to enter either the 8,300 put or 8,200 put. Here is the 8,200 put 5-minute candlestick pattern. As we saw, it rallied based on the Nifty's fall in the morning, and similarly it hit the stochastic low at 20. This is where our entry point was. Based on this, we entered at 40 with a stop loss of super trend and the target of 14-day exponential moving average crossing the 20-day. Here were our results. We entered at 40, kept a stop loss of super trend. If it breaks a super trend, we will exit immediately. Well, this is how the Nifty proved the strategy. It fell back towards the 8,300 level, which helped in rising the premium of 8,200 from 40s towards the 66. We exited at 66 as the market closed the end of the day, where the Nifty, as it was the intraday strategy, we need to exit our positions in closing around 26 points profit. Well, this was a simple analysis of 5-minute candlestick charting pattern and how to predict the price movements. Well, what I teach? I teach Nifty trading strategies with 70% win ratios. In my YouTube channel and my website, I will be teaching the trading strategies which are having more than 70% win ratios. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. From the losing trades, you need to learn how to avoid the losses and win big from Nifty options. Well, why me? Why you should learn from me? What is the advantage? Here you can see. Recently I have launched 2 months back the Nifty 1-minute courses on understanding the intraday chart patterns. Here is the status. Over 68 students have enrolled. In that, only 22 are active learners. The rest have not yet completed a single course. As a teacher of Nifty, I track each and every students on the trading courses they have enrolled and the status of the courses and how much dedicated the people are in learning the Nifty trading course. Also, I will be tracking each and every students on the courses which they have completed, and you can post your comments if you have any queries in the training courses, where I will be interacting with you with psychological strategies where you can be a profitable trader. The success in trading is not a single step. To learn intraday trading, you need to start somewhere and you need to think, analyze, plan, try, do it again and keep doing until you succeed. The trading is not a piece of a cake where you have to learn every single day with adopting the strategies which have worked over and over. I will be sharing in my further videos the top intraday strategies where you can earn consistent income from options. Well, thank you YouTube for crossing 5,000 subscribers. I want to thank all my viewers for your great support. In a matter of few months, I was able to cross 500 subscribers, and it is based on the content where the people have a great likes from for each of my videos, and I want to thank people for the support. And also keep the training course free for the people who want to learn trading Nifty Intraday, where you can register from tradepsychology.com. Here are key topics in this free course. You will learn what are options and how to trade them, how to trade intraday in options, The basic technical indicators, the day-wise observation of the Nifty behavior, where I have uploaded over 3 months of Nifty Intraday behavior, where that is enough for you to gain some confidence and start trading, and the advantage of mobile trading. So the repeatable intraday strategies in Nifty, which work over and over again, which helps you to gain an edge to win consistent profits. Thank you once again.